tell me about the DJI Ronin and what are you using it for?
So this week at Fashion Week we've decided to go with the Ronin so that we can get those high crane shots and show the spectacle of the event. I mean, we're at these amazing venues and we just wanted to like up the game from just a handheld rig and just show where we are, who's here, and I mean, it's not every day you get to work in these spectacular venues.
So the appeal of having a drone is you don't need a helicopter. So it saves you hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's just very expensive. So the fact that drones have actually come out now in the industry and they're super affordable is just a miracle. You can get some really, really beautiful shots, as everybody knows. So
have you ever flown a drone before?
No, I have never flown a drone. I am handy with a camera and an iPhone, but I've never flown a drone.
Would you like to?
100% yes, I'd love to.
Well,
great.
Let's go.
Let's give it a crack.
Last week I was chatting with my mate. I said, look, we really need to get some drones. So I just purchased the Mavic Air. I'm very, very happy. And so I guess the main difference with that one is it's very portable. With a lot of travel, you need something that's going to be compact and still shoots at a really good resolution. So if I'm in another country or whatnot, I can quickly bring it out and fly it around and I get the shots that I need, pack it away really quickly and go.
So this is the Osmo Mobile 2. It's great for selfies when you want to take a really great photo of yourself and for UEs as well, so taking photos of other people. So I heard you use DJI?
Drones, yes, my new toy. But the photos and the stills and things that you can get from it, including the video of course, just amazing.